Cybertruck frames are making big rounds on Twitter. I don't know who took these photos, but they're like, wow. Twitter user Matthias Fon says this photo was uploaded to Facebook by an anonymous account who claimed to have received it from someone that works at Tesla's Austin factory and deleted quickly after. You're seeing something similar to the full exoskeleton of the Cybertruck. Tesla is going to need a lot of space to store them. I don't think they can be stacked on top of each other, do you? Actually, to be specific, you're seeing two Cybertrucks Body-in-White, which includes the stamped and welded passenger shell and front and rear full casting bolted to the passenger shell. Some of you may ask, wasn't the Tesla Cybertruck announced as an exoskeleton-only design to lower weight? This does not look like that at all. Surely that's pretty traditional manufacturing method that'll have body panels hang on it, right? Craig Mauser on Twitter addresses this dilemma and explains that cars are generally on frame or unibody. Trucks are all on frames to give them the traditional strength. The Cybertruck will not have a frame and will be unibody. If you search those terms, you can find some very interesting videos with more information on them. So it looks like the Cybertruck's exoskeleton is morphed into a frame like every other unibody vehicle. Also note that those sides look stumped, hence the steel and rusting. Massive front and rear casting though. It seems like the Cybertruck's mass production, friends, is underway at Tesla Giga Texas, and this is very exciting. The Tesla Cybertruck is an upcoming vehicle that's going to be made this quarter. It's not like other cars you see on the road. It's a big change from what we're used to seeing. This shows how Tesla is always trying new things and coming up with new ideas. The Cybertruck has a really cool design feature called an exoskeleton. Most cars have a separate body and frame, but not this one. The Cybertruck combines them into a single piece made of strong stainless steel. This makes the truck tough and better at handling crashes. It also makes the truck lighter, so it can go farther on a single charge. When it comes to making the Tesla Cybertruck, Tesla has some really big plans. They're going to use huge machines called gigapress to make the parts. I've already talked about gigapresses on YouTube, Torque News YouTube channel, and I have several videos on that. Please check them out. These machines that are called giga casting or gigapress, made by Hydra, are some of the biggest casting machines ever made. By making the parts in one big piece, it saves time and money. Plus, it makes the truck even better quality. These new ideas from Tesla are not just for show. They really make a difference for people who own the Cybertruck. The exoskeleton and casting techniques mean the truck is super strong and can handle tough terrain and heavy loads. It's also really efficient, so it doesn't waste a lot of energy, which is good on parts of Tesla. The Cybertruck is more than just a regular truck, friends. It's changing the way we think about cars. It's leading us toward a future where cars are electric, powerful, and good for the environment. By choosing the Cybertruck, you're not just getting a vehicle, you're joining kind of a revolution and being part of something exciting. The Cybertruck kind of has become, or quickly becoming, a symbol of a better, cleaner world, and we can all be part of it. Why not Model 3? Why not Model Y or Model S? It's because in our society we have so many trucks on our roads and they consume so much gasoline and diesel. That's why when Cybertruck become a norm on our streets, which we're already seeing, like I reported yesterday, Cybertrucks are seen in near the Fremont factory in California. The Cybertrucks are seen around Austin, and one of them even driven by Elon Musk, as he tweeted last Saturday. So once these Cybertrucks become the norm in our society and we see more and more electric truck, and I'm glad to see that Ford F-150 Lightning has joined that, Imagine how much energy we will save, how much clean our air will become, which is good news for everybody. So what do you think? Are you excited Cybertruck has started the production, or Tesla has started the production of Cybertruck? Look for some more important news coming in the next couple of days. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up if you like this video, and stay tuned for the next video.